Charles Baudelaire once said, "The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist." He was right, but he forgot the most brutal part. The devil doesn't hide in hell. He hides in your comfort. He hides in your safety. He hides in that pathetic voice telling you that you've done enough for today. Look around you. You're surrounded by the walking dead. They call it work-life balance. I call it slow-motion suicide. They are being farmed like cattle, and the fence is made of their own excuses. You think you are free? You are a resource, a battery, a number in someone else's ledger. The system doesn't want you to be a predator. It wants you to be a polite, quiet, obedient consumer. Machiavelli knew the truth. It is better to be feared than loved, if you cannot be both. Love is a fleeting emotion for the weak. Respect, built on power and results, is the only currency that never devalues. Most people spend their lives waiting for a permission slip that will never come. They wait for the right time. There is no right time. There is only now or never. The world is divided into two types, those who wait and those who take. The prey and the predator. If you're looking for a hug, go back to the sheep. If you're ready to burn your excuses and embrace the unfiltered truth, join the pride. Subscribe to the Horned Tiger. Dynamic action. No excuses. No mercy.